Hello, good afternoon everybody. It's Wendy here from Wendy's crafty. Look what I got. Oh, I have got a beautiful parcel. And I can't wait to see what there's a book I think inside there I can feel, but let's open it and find out. This is from Rachel Burkett. Oh wow, look. Oh, can you see them? And she did say that she had made something for me. Wow. Oh, these are punch I was after. I can never get it, when you clip into it, I can never get it the right way round. So that would be brilliant. Now, stump it up. She's also a demonstrator and she lives in the Middle East, wherever that is, up the top of the country somewhere. My geography has never been the best thing. So that's good. You got 1, 2, 3 different sizes, you see. You put one bit in there and then it cuts it to the right size somehow. No idea how it works, but I've wanted it, now I've got it. Oh, I don't want to cut this. Oh, I love all her parcels. She takes so much care and wraps them up so nicely. And then I don't want to destroy it. Look at those butterflies. Ooh, I'll leave that bit. Oops. She knows I love purple. Everybody should know by now, shouldn't they, that I love purple. You can never have too much purple in your life. And what's that? Oh, hello, beautiful. Yes. Yes. Because with these, it is nice. Even if you don't put hello, beautiful in the middle, you can always put something else in the middle. And they seem quite a good size as well, look. So you could actually stamp a scene in there with some branches, some trees and a few animals and birds, or you put sea there with a little boat on it, and it's endless there. Right, what is this? It's a little down. Can't even say it today. I am feeling extremely tired today for some strange reason. Oh, yes, these. I forgot about those. I must show them to Julie as well, because she likes things like that. I don't know about you, but it's nice to see something before you buy it, if you know what I mean. Now, what is this? Oh, Rachel, you're so kind and caring. You really are, my love. So with the best quality I look for in every human being, as BFG used to say. No, BFG, BFG, big friendly giant. You must have so much of this paper. There we go. You see, with this paper, you can use this again and again. It can go. Yeah, put it on a napkin, lots of things. I don't know whether I will yet. Ooh. Autumn Craft Academy Book of Inspiration, sorry. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. I had no idea that they did these things. Look. Isn't this exciting? July. Because what this does, it'll just give you little ideas of what to do with that beautiful paper. It's one of my favourite papers, that is. On that one. On these, I can't say I've got a favourite colour because I like them all. Just, that's the thing with stamping up. It's very rarely I will look at a card, card that's been made or something like that, and I like it. I never say, ew, that's horrible, that is. Oh, look, that's Rachel's dog. Beautiful. This is this is something that Rachel does as well. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, I nearly had it then. Sampler. It's a sampler, and she's brilliant at these. She's made some beautiful ones. And I can never get around to doing that for some strange reason. But it's so beautiful. Thank you ever so much, my darling. And now, what have you done here, Lady Me? My lady. Oh, there's more of this lovely paper. I could break it. I think I have to, wouldn't I? I always worry when I get opening a parcel, especially, you know, stamping up or something. Oh, you got some layers in here, haven't you? Look at that. This was not going to open up very easily. Oh, come on, come on. I got a neighbour that lives downstairs, bless her, Julia, her name is. And when she wraps a parcel, I tell you, it takes years to unwrap it. But like yours, Rachel, I'm going to keep. Oh, wow, look at that. My word. You made this, Rachel? Wow. No, I don't want it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, thank you, my darling. That is such a lovely Happy Meal. It really is. Very touched by that. The fact that you've made it for me, how you did that, I will never know. But these are lovely little pens. Yes, I'll text you in a minute, or I'll message you, whatever. And you make it come out there, or you turn it. Well, I wouldn't want to use that. You said, I want to keep it so that it's. Oh, I like the way you've done that. Look, you see the way she's done that. So, then it doesn't flop about in the box all over the place. Well, my sweetheart, you've done well. You've done me proud, love. No, it is. It's just so nice to have Happy Meal. Happy Meal? Oh, forget it. Okay, I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.